Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Got a package here from my friends over at BANGGOOD. They sent me a TOPSHAK bill counter. So most of my buddies on my YouTube channel are all small engine repair guys that want to be small engine repair guys, want to make some money flipping small engine machines. A lot of you guys are already flipping. Flipping machines usually is an all-cash business. So when you have all that cash, stack it somewhere. Some of you guys put it in the bank. Honestly, with the war going on, I don't know if money is all that safe in a bank. What with hacking and all that stuff, all that hard work you put into saving your money in the bank could all go poof one day by just a hacker pushing a button and taking all your money. Some people keep their money in a safe somewhere, cash, or in your mattress or something. I kind of think it's a good idea to keep some cash at home, you know what I mean? Anyway, some of you guys are very successful, such as my buddy Nick from Bellport, who sells like 3-4 tractors a week for like over $1,500 each. That guy is the king of tractors. Go check him out on Instagram. Anyway, so they sent me a bill counter, money counter, cash counter, you know. Comes with this little dust cover. Instructions. Get out of here! We don't need instructions. Forget about it. Power cord. Oh, I hope they're not going to make things complicated because you just want to take it out and use it. You know what I mean? You don't want to plug stuff all over the place. Anyway, this is a exterior display. In other words, like if you wanted to use this at your store or something like that, right? Or like I got a bank, you would connect this onto the machine and outside the window divider so that the customer can see that you're counting and what the count is. So it's a LCD screen that displays the same display on the machine, like $100, whatever, it comes out $100. You plug it in through this RGB connection. RGB connection. Who even uses RGB connections anymore? You know what I mean? Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Well packed. Ooh, cool. Here's the money counter. I always wanted this. I was in the restaurant industry for a while, and we had a bunch of money counters, and they're very advanced because they can spot a fake bill, or you know, the problem is the old bills that don't have the watermarks and the hologram and stuff like that. They'll come up as fake, but they're still good, you know. So I've set up the money counter here. I've plugged in the RGB. This is the I didn't uncord it, so it could stretch out to, you know, over here, maybe 3 feet or so out. Here's the display for your view. So the thing here, I don't know what it is. I'll figure it out later. But plugged it into the wire, the power cord, plugging it into the rear. And so we have a function key, batch, ADD, and start. So there's another start button here too.
Henry, you should read the instructions.
Okay, there's a power button in the back. A switch. So I turned it on. Ooh, cool. Wow, I got 700 already? Okay. All right, I'm gonna get my stash of cash. Hey, stash of cash. And some of the stuff that I kept from last season's proceeds. Let's try some 20s first, huh? Just to show you this, UV, MG, I don't know what that is, IR, infrared, right? So ultraviolet, MG, infrared, and DD. I don't know what DD is. Currency, Euro or US dollar. That's it. Those only two. We're going to do US dollar, of course. I don't have any euros. My wife may have some. I don't know what add means. Manual or automatic. So I obviously would do automatic. Value, I think we do the count, right? $100 bills, $50 bills, $20 bills, $10 bills, $5 bills, $2? Oh, that's right. We do have $2 ones. You don't see $2 bills too often. I usually snag them when I see it. So we're going to do 20s, right? So let's... Damn it. There we go. $20 bills. All right, let's try it now. So I got a stack of 20s here. Let's just grab some. And I guess you just put it in this tray here. Cool, man. So I counted 32 bills. Is that the value? 32 bills is 720? I don't think that's right. Put some more. 91 bills. All right, so I've got 169 bills, 169 20s, right? And it says 3380. Is that right? Is that $3,380 in there? Let me check my calculator. Son of a gun, it is. $20, 169 $20 bills is $3,380. Cool. I got another stack here. So let's clear it. There we go. And I'll just, I'll put this whole stack in here. And see. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. So that's no good. Let's do that again. If you put too thick of a batch in there, it may not work so good. How did that happen here? Oh, currency. I pressed it by accident. Okay. So we'll do a smaller stack at a time. Just a couple inches. Okay. This is so much fun. Wow. Awesome. I have another stack of 20s here.
Henry, you shouldn't keep so much money at home.
Yes, I know. Uh-oh. I wonder if that counted correctly, you know, because it got stuck. Because I took the stack to, I didn't take the stack out, so it might have jammed it, you know. And it didn't matter how I had it, you know what I mean? I could have had it, this is no good. You gotta clear the tray. Otherwise it'll get bunched up, you know what I mean? I might have to do this all over again because I don't know if maybe some didn't get counted, you know. Surprised it didn't jam. It might have counted it correctly. You know what? Let's look at that number, 310, okay? And we'll do it again and see if it was accurate, even with the jam. That would be pretty cool if it was accurate, even after a jam. It didn't really jam, it just got caught. So I think it counted it, you know? So I didn't count all that yet. Let's do it again. All right. This is fun, so we'll do it again. All right. So it said 310 is in here. Again, it didn't matter if it was backwards or forwards, which is great. And so far we have had no no fake bills so far. Does that seem right? You know what? That's wrong because look, I had it on euros again. Duh. Yeah, we'll have to clear that again. Let's do that again. Wow, that was exactly 40? Now I'm confused. Okay, so once you put in a batch, right, of cash, and once it's counted already, when you remove it and then you put a new batch, it resets it. That's why the number wasn't right. So I'm just writing the batches that I put in. Once I put in the amount, I write it. So look, this is empty. I'm putting a new batch in. It says 89 from the last count. I'm going to put a new in. It restarts it again. See what I'm saying? So 108 in that much. So I'll write that down. We'll put another one here. This is the last bunch of 102. Okay. So that was this many, right? So it turned out to be 11,520 just in there. Also, you see the RGB connection. It shows you the count also. Let's do my hundreds. So I got a pile of hundreds here. I'll change the currency to still US. A value. Do 100. Okay. And these. Okay. $119 bills of $11,900. So just this is $11,900. This little stack here. Can you believe that? Cool. Turn the value to 10. I have a little bit of 10s here. 170. Let's try something different. Out of that 17 $10 bill, I'm going to sneak 3 $5 bills in here and see if it'll detect that it's $5 in there. See, it didn't. It just counts what the value is, see? So it doesn't detect if you put, let's say, a $1 bill in there. It still shows 20 pieces, so that's not accurate, you know what I mean? So it basically just counts the number of bills. So I have 17 $5 bills. And you've got a couple of dollar bills here. Oh, that's not right. See, wait, that wasn't right because I didn't do the value at 5. So you got to remember to do that. There, $5 bills. So that's worth $85. And 6. So 91. So all that right there equals 23,731. Not bad. This was mostly last year and the year before that's money. I used some, you know, did a driveway, did the roof, you know, all that kind of thing, you know. I don't know exactly how much of it I made from selling mowers. I'm just not sure. But I'm sure if you read the instructions, which I could have, there's a button in there, which I don't know, that tells you that it will distinguish between the numbers. You know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, but I'm not reading that book to find out. But very good counter. Does what it does. Saves you the trouble of counting all those things. You just got to write down the denomination that you're doing, and then you'll get the final total in no time, you know. Very nice machine. So, really cool thing to have. If you're running a business and you get a lot of cash, not too many businesses these days still, you know, have a lot of cash as income coming in from your store because it's mostly all credit card. But if you do deal with a lot of cash, like us small engine flipper guys, this thing's really convenient for you to, you know, be able to count your money quickly. You just got to pay attention to the numbers to make sure you don't get those numbers wrong, you know. Trial and error. Read the instructions, you know what I mean? I'm glad I didn't have a fake bill in here. I don't know if it has the technology in here to recognize fake bills, because there are super bills out there that even the Secret Service can't detect. They're so good, you know what I mean? But anyway, thanks a lot to BANGGOOD and TOPSHAK for sending this to me. It's a great money counter. I like it a lot. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys would like to check it out yourself. It's not very expensive, but check the link in the description. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey y'all, it's Kylie here, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.